Flipar. Flipar.
A powerful storm has surprised the inhabitants of Villar del Arzobispo in the interior of the province of Valencia and has completely covered the streets and roofs of houses with hail of more than 10 centimeters. The storm has hit the interior of the province, leaving heavy rain in areas such as Requena-Utiel, Hoya de Buñol, and the Costera region. The storm cell hit hard in the Serranos. There, significant hail was recorded, leaving the winter landscape for only a few seconds. The streets and roofs of the houses were as white as snow, but covered with hail. As confirmed by several residents surprised by the storm, the hail began to fall around 4:45 p.m. It was very fast, and in just a few minutes the hail covered everything. The weather forecast predicted thunderstorms with hail, and it proved to be true. In several towns in the Villar del Arzobispo, Costera, and Canal de Navarre's regions, rain has been falling since noon, accompanied by hail. Thus, municipalities such as El Aliria, Pobla del Duc, Alfarisi, Guadassequies, and Genoves are among those that have recorded hailstorms. This is evident in the videos that have been shared on social media in the last hours. In El Aliria, up to 37 liters per square meter were recorded in just under 20 minutes, accompanied by gusts of wind of up to 80 kilometers per hour. Furthermore, the rain left behind a blanket of white hail. The situation has caused several cars parked on public roads to be moved after being surrounded by ice. Specialized machinery has also been working in the area. In 10 minutes, a terrible hailstorm fell, said Ramon Vidal, mayor of El Aliria, who assessed the damage throughout the municipality and collaborated with the hailstorm response efforts. The mayor reported that 2 people were trapped with their cars in the snowstorm, although they managed to escape without serious injuries. No property or personal damage was reported in the city, although water from the powerful storm has entered several buildings and public houses, flooding some areas. A crane cleared the path of vehicles and removed hail at various points in the municipality. The weather forecast indicates a 100% probability of rain in many locations in the central region, with an orange alert in force until 9 p.m. tonight. Guadassequies, with a cumulative rainfall of 23 liters in a short time, was also one of the towns in the Villar del Arzobispo where the storm turned the streets white with hail. Meanwhile, in Millars, rainfall has also exceeded 24 liters per square meter. EMET reports that the first storms of the day, so far not well organized, have been recorded inland and north of Castellan, in the Cofranciora Valley area and between the Cortez and Millars Mountains, where their intensity is high. In some cases, The rain was accompanied by lightning and loud thunder. The sky is darkening due to the sudden change in weather, which has not stopped. So, in most cases, the storms are short but intense. In some cases, public authorities have taken action based on the weather forecast. The University of Valencia, for example, has suspended all scheduled classes at the Ontinyent campus since 3 p.m. And yesterday, the Zataiba City Council decreed the closure of public places such as parks and gardens due to the orange alert. One of the biggest concerns that a storm like the current one raises is its impact on the countryside. Last weekend's storm affected 11 municipalities, with 8,700 hectares of agricultural land destroyed by the bad weather.